Now those of you who have been to the Model Railroad Museum here in Gulfport know the north side of the street, but you haven't been over to the south side of the street. This is a 40,000 square foot building with almost 20,000 square feet of outdoor gardens. The construction has already begun, and soon this will be the largest collection of model trains in the United States, and also offer one of the largest O-scale battery-operated self-driven layouts.
We're Keith and Kim.
Kim and Keith.
And we're the Mississippi Gypsies.
We live and travel full-time in our RV.
Because we're carnies and filmmakers. We bring you Renaissance festivals, fairs, music events, and more.
So come along and enjoy the journey with us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It'll help our channel grow.
HO scale, or half of O, was originally developed between 1922 and 1935. By the late 1950s, it had become the most popular option in the United States for home-based layouts. Our Jim V layout is a combination of three HO scale layouts, the original being club member Jim Viverberg's design, and the two other layouts being donations to the museum, which club members consolidated and finished in 2022 following Jim's passing. The layout is primarily DCC, meaning that more than one train can operate on the same track, with a fully functional soundboard. It also has one DC track, beautifully modeled scenes, and a nighttime display option. Layouts and displays like this are only possible through the hard work of our club members and through generous donations by model railroad enthusiasts like you and me. This layout, like many of our others in the museum, also offers a scavenger hunt, so take a good close look at our miniatures and see what you can discover.